Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Face ID fails to recognize your face, shows Face ID not available, or stops working suddenly, don't panic. This is a common issue with clear fixes. In iPhone settings 2026, Face ID problems are usually caused by settings conflicts, sensor blockage, software bugs, or temporary system glitches. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, common Face ID problems you might see, like Face ID not available, Face ID fails intermittently, okay, works only in some apps, stops working after updates, doesn't recognize face anymore, okay. So clean the true depth camera. Okay, so Face ID uses sensors at the top of your iPhone. Clean the front camera area gently. Remove screen protectors covering sensors. Remove thick or misaligned cases. Avoid dirt, grease, or water. Even a small blockage can break Face ID. Okay, so make sure Face ID is enabled. So go to Settings. Go to Face ID. Okay. Enter your passcode and make sure iPhone unlock is on, iTunes and App Store is on, apps using Face ID are enabled. Okay, check attention settings too. So still in Face ID and passcode, turn on require attention for Face ID, attention aware features, then look directly at the screen, keep eyes open, and Face ID needs a clear look. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.